Here's a common question. Should I put my child in daycare or preschool for socialization? I'm Dr. Mary Barbera. I've been in the autism world for over 2 decades, first as a confused parent and then as a professional. So my answer is it depends. And part of my answer is if it's just for socialization, your child will probably do better at home with you. But you need to be taking my online course and joining my community to learn all the steps to get your child ready for daycare or preschool in the future. So it's really important that the child hopefully has some language, definitely has the ability to follow some directions, doesn't have big problem behaviors, because if the child is not ready for daycare or preschool and you put them in, chances are it's not going to do what you intended. So check the link, attend a workshop, join my online course and community. It's so important that you take action now because time is of the essence, and children with autism and toddlers showing signs need you to act today.